So I thought I would catch up on some package reveals. And so I have 4 or 5 book packages that I wanted to share. And the first one is this really lovely package that I'm a little bit late, but it's definitely for winter. So you can see it's got cotton balls and a couple of books. So the first book is The Snowy Race by April Jones Prince, illustrated by Christine Davenier. And this looks like a really beautiful winter story. And it's by Holiday House. And there is a second one, The Luckiest Snowball by Elliot Kreloff. Oh, and this has a textured cover, and so everything is smooth, but then the words and the sparkly parts are like rough and I think sparkly, almost like glitter, but it's like doesn't come off. So that's really fun. Also really charming illustrations. And so to go along with this winter theme, they sent me a card. Here's the card. Let's see if I can take it out with one hand. Oh, so cute. So it's a blizzard of winter books with hot cocoa from Holiday House. Thank you, Holiday House. And there's hot chocolate from Ghirardelli and cotton balls. So super cute, winter themed. And you know what I mean? I love these kind of book packages where there's something personal about it. And you know, you don't have to go overboard and spend a crazy amount of money to have an effective package. So anyway, thank you so much to Holiday House. And even though we are not experiencing winter at this moment here in Boston, this will still be much appreciated. And please check out these 2 beautiful picture books.